Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 2 severe weather outlook. There's an enhanced risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses southern Wisconsin, eastern Iowa, eastern half of Missouri, pretty much all of Illinois, western Indiana, southwestern Kentucky, northwestern Tennessee, and northeastern Arkansas. Cities and tomorrow's enhanced include Chicago, Illinois, St. Louis, Missouri, Aurora, Illinois, Rutherford, Illinois, and Naperville, Illinois. Alright, areas in the yellow are on a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow. Alright, the yellow is the slight risk area for tomorrow, and the dark green is the marginal. And by the way, the enhanced is the orange, so yeah. Orange is enhanced, slight is yellow, and marginal is dark green. Cities in tomorrow's slight include Indianapolis, Indiana, Memphis, Tennessee, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Nashville, Tennessee, and Cincinnati, Ohio. And cities in tomorrow's marginal include Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, and Lexington, Fayette, Kentucky. Going to tomorrow's tornado threat, there is a 10% chance of tornadoes tomorrow within the yellow area, alright? The 10% tornado risk area tomorrow covers east central and southeastern Iowa, northeastern and east central Missouri, parts of Illinois, west central Indiana, and far southwestern Wisconsin. Areas in the brown are on a 5% chance of tornadoes tomorrow. Alright, the brown is the 5% tornado risk area for tomorrow, and the dark green is a 2% tornado risk area for tomorrow. Alright? Cities in the 10% tornado risk area tomorrow include St. Louis, Missouri, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Springfield, Illinois, Peoria, Illinois, and Davenport, Iowa. Cities in the 5% tornado risk area for tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Madison, Wisconsin, Aurora, Illinois, and Rockford, Illinois. And the 2% tornado risk area tomorrow includes Indianapolis, Indiana, Memphis, Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, Louisville, Kentucky, and Little Rock, Arkansas. Alright, so if you notice here, the black dashed area is level 1 of 3 on the Tornado Intensity Index. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for tornadoes of EF1 rating or stronger tomorrow. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for strong tornadoes of EF1 rating or stronger tomorrow. If you notice, there's a solid line area. The solid line area is level 2 of 3 on the Tornado Intensity Index. Alright, the solid line area is where we have the highest potential for violent tornadoes of EF3 rating or stronger tomorrow. Alright, the solid line area is where we have the highest potential for violent tornadoes reaching or exceeding EF3. Alright? So, yeah. Area outside the black dash in the solid line area. If you're not in the black dashed area or solid line area, if you're outside of the line areas in general, if you're in the 2% area, if you're in the 2% tornado risk area that does not have any lines, you may look at weak tornadoes. But again, EF3 rating or stronger could be occurring in the solid line area, and EF1 or EF3 stronger could be in the solid line area, and the black dash is the EF1 or higher. So, yeah. Areas outside of those areas in the dark green, mainly EF0. So, yeah. Cities in tomorrow's solid line area tomorrow include Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Springfield, Illinois, Peoria, Illinois, Davenport, Iowa, and Decatur, Illinois. Cities in the black dashed area tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, St. Louis, Missouri, Madison, Wisconsin, Aurora, Illinois, and Rockford, Illinois. Now for the wind threat for tomorrow, there is a 45% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow in the pink areas. Alright? The 45% wind risk area tomorrow encompasses south central Wisconsin, far east central Iowa, most of Illinois, western Indiana, southeastern Missouri, northeastern Arkansas, northwestern Tennessee, and southwestern Kentucky. The red is the 30% wind risk area for tomorrow. Alright? The red is a 30% wind risk for tomorrow, covering parts of Wisconsin, really. The 30% wind risk tomorrow covers parts of Wisconsin, eastern Iowa, far west central and far northeastern Illinois, parts of Missouri, parts of Arkansas, parts of Tennessee, central Kentucky, and central Indiana. Alright? The yellow is a 15% wind risk area for tomorrow in the yellow. Alright? And the brown is the 5% wind risk area tomorrow. States in the 45% wind risk area tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, St. Louis, Missouri, Aurora, Illinois, Rockford, Illinois, and Naperville, Illinois. The 30% wind risk tomorrow includes Indianapolis, Indiana, Memphis, Tennessee, Louisville, Kentucky, Madison, Wisconsin, and Clarksville, Tennessee. The 15% wind risk area tomorrow includes Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Nashville, Tennessee, Cincinnati, Ohio, Little Rock, Arkansas, and Cedar Rapids, Iowa. And the 5% wind risk area tomorrow includes Lexington Bay, Kentucky, Fort Wayne, Indiana, Grand Rapids, Michigan, Des Moines, Indiana, and Huntsville, Alabama. And now moving on over to the hail risk for tomorrow. Areas in the red are in a 30% hail risk area tomorrow. That covers southwestern Wisconsin, eastern Iowa, western Illinois, parts of Missouri, and north central Arkansas. The yellow area is a 15% hail risk area for tomorrow. And the brown area is a 5% hail risk area for tomorrow. Alright? States in the 30% hail risk area tomorrow include Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Davenport, Iowa, Columbia, Missouri, Iowa City, Iowa, and St. Charles, Missouri. The 15% hail risk area tomorrow includes St. Louis, Missouri, Madison, Wisconsin, Rockford, Illinois, Springfield, Missouri, and Springfield, Illinois. And the 5% hail risk tomorrow includes Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, and Minneapolis, Minnesota. Again, the red is the 30% hail risk area for tomorrow. The yellow is the 15% hail risk area for tomorrow, and the brown is a 5% hail risk area for tomorrow. Just so we're clear. So, see the black dashed area? The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. Alright, the black dashed area is a level 1 of 2 on the hail intensity index, meaning the highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger tomorrow within the black dashed area. Alright? So yeah. Tomorrow looks like it's going to be a pretty big outbreak. So the black dashed area, aka highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger tomorrow include Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, St. Louis, Missouri, Madison, Wisconsin, and Des Moines, Iowa. So yeah, tomorrow looks to be a very dangerous day. So, in summary, widespread strong to severe thunderstorm development appears probable across the middle Mississippi into lower Ohio valleys Monday afternoon through Monday evening, accompanied by potential for a few strong tornadoes, damaging winds, and large hail. So tomorrow's going to be a very dangerous day. So, yeah, tomorrow looks to be a very dangerous day. So, stay safe and affect areas tomorrow. No matter what risk you're in. Alright, stay safe and affect areas tomorrow, no matter what risk you're in. Alright? Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and have we been notified for severe weather tomorrow? Have we been notified for severe weather tomorrow and tomorrow night? Whether it be your TV, radio, or phone. And be sure, they certainly may go into tomorrow night, so probably sleep in your safe spot tomorrow night on the lowest level of your home tomorrow night to avoid having to move during the night tomorrow night, because you may go into tomorrow night. Like I've seen the past couple of days. So stay safe tomorrow, and I'll go over all of this again in tomorrow's Day 1 Severe Weather Outlook video.